Okay, I just wanted to make this short video on protecting your artwork. So once your artwork is like you want it, or even just when it's in progress, you want to protect it with tracing paper. And I have a bigger artwork here than the tracing paper will fit over, so I'm going to just like tape it around to get it to fit. And you can tape it to the back side of your artwork, like tape it, wrap it over, and then it will stick. I'm using masking tape. You can use painter's tape or artist tape, but this will help you to protect your work. If you spend a long time on it, you don't want it to get ruined. So I'm just gonna try to tape it around and fold it over and tape the back. Okay, I'm going to tape the bottom side too. So anytime you're like stopping your work, you probably want to do this just to make it so that it doesn't get messed up. All right.